When I first came down to this country, but inside, we had a front room here that's about 15 foot square, and then there's a small kitchen about 8 foot square that we had where we done our family cooking.
From a humble gas station in Kentucky to over 30,000 locations worldwide, Kentucky Fried Chicken has become a global phenomenon in the fast food realm. Ever wondered how this chicken giant serves up that iconic finger-licking good taste from Kentucky to Kolkata? And what is the secret ingredient in KFC's breading mixture, Sanders' original recipe of 11 herbs and spices? Today on Mega Mastery, we're taking you on a mouth-watering journey behind the scenes of KFC. From farm to fryer, we'll uncover the fascinating process that turns ordinary poultry into a crispy, juicy masterpiece that's loved by millions. So grab a napkin and prepare to get hungry as we dive into the world of pressure fryers, secret spices, and the Colonel's legacy. It's 1930. A man named Harlan Sanders is serving chicken to hungry travelers at his gas station in Corbin, Kentucky. Little did he know he was frying up a global phenomenon. Fast forward to 1952, Sanders perfects his secret blend of 11 herbs and spices, and the first Kentucky Fried Chicken franchise opens in Salt Lake City. But here's the fact, Colonel Sanders wasn't a real military man. The title was an honorary one, given by the governor of Kentucky in 1935 for his contributions to the state's cuisine. By 1964, then 73 years old, the Colonel's face was plastered on over 600 KFC restaurants nationwide.
So I sold out after 7.5 years of this franchise business. I sold out for $2 million.
He sold the business for $2 million, but stayed on as the brand's ambassador. The contract included a lifetime salary for Sanders, and the agreement that he would be the company's quality controller and trademark. Today, KFC has at least 29,000 outlets in 147 countries and territories worldwide, all thanks to one man's recipe and a whole lot of Southern hospitality. KFC's journey to finger-licking goodness begins on farms carefully selected for their commitment to quality. These aren't just any farms, they're the cream of the crop, adhering to KFC's strict standards for animal welfare and food safety. On these farms, chickens are raised with a focus on their well-being. They have access to clean water, balanced nutrition, and in key markets like the US, UK, and Canada. KFC is rapidly transitioning to cage-free environments. By 2026, the company aims to source 100% cage-free chickens globally. To maintain consistency across its 29,000 locations worldwide, KFC has implemented a robust system of checks and balances. It starts right here on the farms, where chickens are monitored for health, size, and overall quality. Only birds meeting KFC's exacting standards make the cut. Once the chickens reach the ideal size and weight, they're prepared for the next stage of their journey. As these chickens are loaded onto trucks bound for processing plants, They're about to enter a world where culinary art meets cutting-edge technology. The next stop on our journey takes us to the heart of KFC's operation, the processing plant. Get ready to see farm-fresh chicken become a fast food legend as we uncover KFC's secrets. As our truck full of fresh chickens pulls into the processing plant, we enter a world of precision and efficiency. This isn't your grandma's kitchen. It's a high-tech facility where cleanliness rivals that of an operating room. The moment the chickens arrive, they face their first of over 50 quality checks. Trained inspectors examine each bird, looking for any signs that it doesn't meet KFC's exacting standards. Only the best make it through. Next, the chickens take a bath, but this isn't a bubble bath. It's a thorough cleaning process to ensure every bird is spotless. Now comes a pivotal moment, the cutting process. State-of-the-art machinery, guided by skilled technicians, cuts each chicken into familiar pieces. Wings, thighs, breasts, and drumsticks. But here's where KFC zigs while others zag. Instead of freezing these pieces, they're chilled. It's a crucial step in preserving the chicken's natural texture and flavor. It's part of what gives KFC its signature juiciness. Throughout this entire process, KFC maintains strict temperature controls, keeping bacteria at bay and ensuring food safety. But the journey of our chicken pieces isn't over yet. They're packaged and prepared for their final destination. Welcome to the heart of KFC, the restaurant kitchen. This is where the magic happens. As the fresh chicken arrives, it faces one final inspection. KFC staff meticulously check each piece, ensuring it meets the Colonel's high standards. Now, we come to the real secret behind KFC's irresistible taste. The famous blend of 11 herbs and spices. This isn't just any seasoning mix, it's a closely guarded recipe that's been tantalizing taste buds since the 1940s. The complete recipe is split between two companies. Each holds half the secret, ensuring the full formula remains as elusive as a chicken that's crossed the road. The original handwritten recipe, it's locked away in a high-tech vault in Kentucky, protected like Fort Knox. While the exact spices are not publicly disclosed, some speculated ingredients include salt, black pepper, white pepper, paprika, garlic salt, and various herbs like thyme and basil. In fact, a leaked handwritten recipe claimed to include ingredients. The Chicago Tribune test kitchen even tried the recipe firsthand. Did it taste like the Colonel's secret blend of herbs and spices? It came very close, yet something was still missing. Dash of monosodium glutamate MSG to the blend, they'd effectively achieved an identical match. Now, watch closely as each piece of chicken takes a dip in cold water before being tossed in the secret spice mix. The staff use a special technique, lifting and folding the chicken in the breading 7 times. It's like a delicious dance, ensuring every nook and cranny is perfectly coated. But the real game changer, that's the pressure fryer. This isn't your average deep fryer. It's a piece of culinary engineering that Colonel Sanders himself pioneered in the late 1930s. pressure fryer is like a taste-making time machine. It cooks the chicken faster than traditional methods by raising the boiling point of water to a sizzling 250 degrees Fahrenheit. As the pressure releases and the fryer opens, the aroma of perfectly cooked chicken fills the air. Inside this pressurized cooker, the chicken emerges golden brown, crispy on the outside, yet incredibly juicy inside. It's a culinary feat that's hard to replicate at home. By all accounts, the pressure cooker plays nearly as important a role as the 11 herbs and spices. But our journey isn't over yet. How does KFC ensure that this perfectly cooked chicken reaches you in its optimal state? The final leg, getting that perfectly cooked chicken from the kitchen to your eager taste buds. First, the excess oil needs to go. The chicken is carefully drained, ensuring you get all the flavor without an unwanted oil slick on your fingers. Now, timing is everything. From fryer to your tray, it's a race against the clock. Serve within minutes of cooking to maintain that perfect balance of crispy exterior and juicy interior. But what if there's a lull in orders? Fear not, KFC has a plan. Enter the warming cabinet. When it's time to serve, each piece is carefully selected. Whether you're going for a bucket, a sandwich, or a combo meal, every item is assembled with precision. And there you have it, the incredible journey of KFC's famous fried chicken from farm to your fingertips. KFC's success isn't just about a secret recipe, it's about commitment to quality at every step, from chicken selection to that final satisfying crunch. So the next time you bite into a piece of KFC chicken, remember, you're not just eating fast food, you're tasting the result of decades of culinary craftsmanship. This is Mega Mastery, bringing you the stories behind the things you love. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Got a product or process you want us to explore next? Let us know in the comments below.